Hi guys, I thought it'd be fun if you just saw my beautiful face for a wonderful Friday. It's actually Thursday, but I'm recording for tomorrow for Friday. Um, I just wanted to take a moment and say hi. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for all the work that you guys have been doing for our calc class. It's paying off. You guys' grades are pretty good so far from what I've been grading. Um, I just wanted to give you a glimpse at what your schedule is going to look like when we return from spring break, just so you kind of have a heads up. I am going to put together a packet for the whole unit so that way if you want to print it all off up front, you can do that. If you want to just print day by day, you can do that as well. Whatever's easiest for you, but I'm going to show you. So let me change the way this looks. Hopefully you can see what's on my screen here. And you can still see me. I'm learning. So just so you kind of know, we adopted a block learning schedule for the remainder of the year. So on Mondays, it's going to be an even block, 2, 4, 6. Tuesday is odd block, 1, 3, 5, 7. Wednesday is even block, odd day. Thursday is odd block. And then Friday is, again, the catch-up day. So the way I'll do that is I'll post on Monday. It'll be labeled like Monday, Tuesday. So if you want to do it on Monday, feel free. Technically, it's Tuesday, but it's to help lighten the load for you guys along with for the teachers. So just kind of keep that in mind. I believe they've already sent that out. I think Mr. Cheney sent it out in an email the other day. So I just wanted to put it here. I'll also make sure it's in the packet that I make for you guys for the last unit that we're going to do. Then here I'm just going to show you what the schedule is for what I paced out for us for our last unit. So we only have one more unit. So we'll have a test and then we'll have the final exam. Some of you guys, most of you guys are going to be exempt from the final exam. So the way we'll do this is on the first block and the second block, we'll just talk about this thing called the DISC method for finding volume, and we'll have a concept check. This concept check will count as a quiz grade. And then the Friday is a catch-up day. The next week, we'll talk about something called the washer method for finding volume, and then on that second block day of that week, we'll have a concept check, which again will count as a quiz grade. So that'll be 2 quiz grades. Then the following week after that, we'll do the test review on the first block, and then the test will be on the next block. Okay? And so if you're exempt from the final, don't quote me on this because this is just between us. Pretty much you're done as long as your grade on this test allows you to keep your A average. Those of you who don't have the A average, the next week we'll do the final exam review, and then the senior final exams are that next week. I don't know how they're going to change the schedule for those final exam weeks yet, so this is just me following that same block pattern. My juniors, technically you're not allowed to take your final exams until the week after that. I'm not sure. Again, I don't know what they're going to be doing with the schedule, so these last 2 weeks that are in gray, I'll kind of keep you guys posted as I find that information out. Otherwise, you'll hear it from Mr. Cheney, but I will definitely try to make sure that I get that information out to you as well. So just kind of keep in mind what we have left for calculus is 2 quizzes and 1 test. And then if you're taking the final exam, the final exam. And if you're exempting the final exam, then really that's it. So I'm trying to keep it pretty simple. I did cut out some, a piece of this that I was like, it's not necessary. So I'm just trying to get you guys the things that are, you know, more important or a basic concept that you need or is going to be good for you to know going into future math classes that you're going to go into. Hopefully maybe when we come back from spring break we can do maybe just like a coffee and tea chat, or everybody eat breakfast together and chat, or we could even do maybe a lunch one for those who like to sleep in. Nikki. So I miss you all. I really wish that we were doing face-to-face class. Maybe we'll throw a Zoom out there and everyone can just get on and chat and talk and just see how everyone's doing. Please stay safe. I know it's hard to want to stay at home and not go socialize with friends, but please, the better that we can keep ourselves safe and distance from other people, the better and the sooner that this can all go away. I hope you guys have a wonderful spring break next week. Please don't do any schoolwork. Take a break. I need to take a break. You guys need to take a break and enjoy it. I'll look forward to seeing you virtually when we come back. Bye.